Hello, this video shows how to install the mSpy application on an Android phone. You only need to do two things: download and install the application file and change some settings. Let's do it step by step. Turn on the phone. If you need to, unlock the screen. Before you start the installation process, you need to enable installation from unknown sources. For that, click the menu button and then on Settings, and then go into Applications. Here you will find unknown sources. Make sure this checkbox is enabled. This will allow the installation of applications not obtained from Android Market. For the next step, go to your browser. Tap on the address bar and enter the link on the screen, which is bit.ly/H6G5T X. Hold the Shift button for uppercase letters. When you are finished with entering the link, press the Go button. You will now see that the app has started to download. Here, you can see a little download icon at the top. Now, you have seen that it is finished downloading, and you can pull down the screen to see the new file, org.system.display.apk. Now, let's install it. Pull down the upper bar to open the notification center, where you will find the downloaded application file named org.system.display.apk. This is just a non-descriptive name of mSpy. Double-click on it to install mSpy. Click on Install, and you will now see that the application has now been installed onto the phone. The final step is to turn off the phone and remove the battery for at least 30 seconds. You are now finished with installing the mSpy application on an Android phone. Now, you need to link the phone to your dashboard. Please proceed to the next wizard step.